Hello, this is Ed Burke with PlaceForTraders.com for Monday, May 18th. Starting off in the June Mini S&P. In my last video, I talked about the pivot level for Friday of 888.75. Above 888.75 in the June Mini S&P was considered bullish for Friday. Below 888.75 was considered bearish. I had the first line of resistance up at 898.5. The first line of support down at 880 even. These are 15-minute bars. This thick black line I drew is the pivot level of 888.75. This is going way back before the regular trading session opened. You can see that the market was supported by the pivot level. We bounced off the pivot level a number of times, and the market stayed on the bullish side of the pivot level. Just after 6 o'clock a.m. on Friday, we broke through that pivot level and started trending lower. We stayed above the first line of support at 880 even, and then going into the regular trading session open, we then started trading higher. This 15-minute bar is the opening bar of the regular trading session. Actually, this is where the market opened up, right at the pivot level. You can see that we had a big range of a volatile first half hour of trading. We sold off, dipped down a little bit. When we started selling off, I did send messages out to people that would be a good point to actually get long or buy the market. You can see that we had a little follow through. The market started trading a little higher. It stayed below the first line of resistance. The first line of resistance was 898.5. This high was actually 895.5. Just before noon Eastern time, then we broke through the pivot level and started trading lower. When we're trading around this range, I did send messages out to people that obviously we were looking at a bearish market for the rest of the day. We did get some follow through on the downside. The market went through the first line of support. This low right here was 876.5, and then going into the close, we had a little rally, and the market came back above the first line of support. They settled the market at 883 even. For Monday, I'm looking at the pivot level of 885.25. Market closed at 883 on Friday. We need to stay above 885.25 for a bullish market. Below 885.25 is considered a bearish market. I have the first line of support for Monday at 876.75. The second line of support at 866.75. For resistance, I'm looking at the first level of resistance at 894. The second level of resistance at 904.5. I don't have any scheduled economic numbers for Monday. That's all I have for this evening. Thanks for tuning in. If you haven't gone to my website as of yet, it's PlaceForTraders.com. You can go on and sign up for the free alerts. Thanks a lot and good trading.